नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। I welcome all of you in today's practical session about miasmatic diagnosis in the complaints of the ear. In last lecture, we understand the soric ear symptoms basically. So, in SORA there is only functional disturbance, dryness, itching, burning, crawling sensation, dry scales in the ears. Soric patient can't tolerate noise because it causes pain in the ear. So now today we are going to discuss psychotic symptoms of the ear troubles. Now in psychosis, otitis occurs with profuse exudation. In psychosis, the basic characteristic की हम बात करें तो वहाँ पे डिस्चार्जेस हमें देखने को मिलते हैं। वहाँ पे प्रोफ्यूज डिस्चार्जेस हमें सोरा के अंदर हमें डिस्चार्जेस स्केंटी होते हैं और थिन वाटरी होते हैं। नाउ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ईयर्स अपीयर्स स्वेलन एंड कैन बी इडिमेटस बिकॉज ड्यू टू द इनकोऑर्डिनेशन, ग्रोथ एंड एनाटॉमिकल इनकोऑर्डिनेशन, सेंसेशन, स्टिचिंग, पल्सेटिंग, पेन। देयर इज स्टिचिंग, कोई चीज़ चुभ रही है, गड़ रही है, पल्सेटिंग, थ्रोबिंग पेन, एंड पेन बिकम्स एग्रावेटेड बाय चेंजेज इन द वेदर ड्यूरिंग क्लाउडी वेट वेदर. All complaints of psychotic miasm becomes worse. Now the concomitant part is physical restlessness. But in SORA, there is mental restlessness in which we find anxiety, fear, mental restlessness, all these things. But in psychotic, only physical restlessness we can find in patient. Now the hearing part of psychotic miasm is incoordination in the sense of hearing causes the patient to hear better in noisy places. Patient feels better in noisy places. In syphilis, otitis is characterized by ulceration. Mastocytitis occurs with degenerative changes in the bones. Characteristics: degenerative inflammation and destruction of the ossicles of the ear is syphilitic and also tubercular. So degenerative inflammation, necrosis, ulceration, all are gross pathologies belongs to the syphilitic miasm. And the another characteristic is the long ears. Now the sensation part is the bursting pain. In psychosis there is pulsating pain, stitching pain. इन सिफिलिटिक ब्रस्टिंग पेन, जैसे कि फटने जैसा दर्द महसूस होता है. नाउ द कंकॉमिटेंट्स इज विथ इरप्शंस, थिक फटीड पस एंड क्रैक्स. अल्सरेशन इज द ट्रेडमार्क ऑफ सिफिलिटिक मियाजम. सो क्रैक्स आर प्रेजेंट इन सिफिलिटिक मियाजम. थिक फटीड पस, the nature of discharges. Now the hearing part is the impairment and total loss of hearing. Now in tubercular, otitis occur with exudation mixed with blood. So if blood is mixed with any discharges, then it indicates the tubercular miasm. Cheesy and curdled. And other characteristic is discharges is bloody, cheesy and curdled. Characteristic is slight exposure to the cold may result in ear ache leading to suppurative otitis media with offensive pus. Slight exposure to the cold aggravates tubercular complaints. But in syphilitic, cold ameliorates syphilitic troubles. In psychotic, bad cloudy weather aggravate. And in Sora, daylight and sunlight is aggravating. Eczematous eruption and pustules and fissures. Now the sensation is of flushing about the ears. Sensation of heat. Modalities, aggravation at night, amelioration by daytime. Now the concomitant part in tubercular miasm, there may be a peculiar carrion-like odor from discharges are often cheesy or curdled. Discharges are cheesy, curdled, bloody and carrion सड़ी हुई बदबू आती है. Tonsillitis with ear ache. Ear may look flushed with redness. There is redness in trouble of ear. Now the hearing part is loss of hearing with fatigue, cheesy and curdled discharges. So we have gone through all these miasm in relation with the ear trouble. Now next lecture I will take oral symptom. Thank you.